All right, we're going to do a quick example here. This example is giving you a function here, f at x is x divided by 2 minus x. And what we want to find here is a simplified expression for the following. So the first thing we have to do is find out what is f at x plus h equal to. Again, as a reminder with function notation, this x is just a placeholder. So anything that is in the place of x, in this case, these two values right here, we're going to substitute that in with an x plus h. Therefore, f at x plus h is equal to, you'll notice here everywhere I have an x, I change that to an x plus h. I've got an x here. Again, I change that to an x plus h. Be mindful of the brackets. You got to put brackets around that expression there. Therefore, when we distribute this, you get x plus h in the top and 2 minus x minus h in the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead and substitute that all in to the following expression. Doing so, we get, and by substituting this all in, we get the following expression here. We want to be able to simplify this. So what we're going to do here is get a common denominator between these two terms. So I'm going to end up multiplying the top and bottom of this by 2 minus x and the top and bottom of this by 2 minus x minus h. Doing so, we get, and you'll notice here what I've done is I've gone ahead and done that, and what we have here is this expression right here, now with a common denominator, is replacing these two terms that we're subtracting. So now that I have this here, I want to do some simplification here. This h on the bottom is actually over 1, and what we have here is we have fraction divided by fraction. So when you have fraction divided by fraction, you multiply by the flip. Doing so, we get the following. You end up just multiplying by the flip, so you end up multiplying by 1 over h, and we have h times these two terms here. So now I want to be able to simplify this more. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to expand out the product of these two binomials and distribute this x into this trinomial here. Let's go ahead and do that and see if we get any simplification. Doing so, we get. So distributing, we have the following expression here. We want to go ahead and collect like terms here. You'll notice right away that we have cancellation with the two x's. I also have cancellation between the negative hx and the negative xh. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so we can move those around, so they're actually like terms. Also, the x squareds will cancel here as well. So all that work we did ends up simplifying the numerator to just become 2h. And you have over h times 2 minus x minus h times 2 minus x. And again, these h's now cancel. And our simplified expression is 2 over 2 minus x minus h times 2 minus x. All right, so I just want to go through this example here. You can see here it uses a lot of concepts of function notation and a little bit of algebra involved to simplifying this expression into something that is a little easier to work with. Thank you.